I hate packing up in the rain. All of my gear is soaked and dirty. Now I just gotta wait for my ride. Look at that, there's a whole bunch of seals right out there trying to catch pink salmon. Oh, there's my boat. Whoa. Oh, I don't need my shower for the month now. Yeah, you know, you're going. Oh. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed this adventure. If you want to see more camping videos from the Outdoor Boys YouTube channel, make sure to check out our camping and adventure playlist, and don't forget to click subscribe.